Alright, let's jump back into it. I am not too far off from finishing my route here. Got about 300 kilometers. Get this straightened out because settings were a little messed up here. That's fifth. Come on, there we go. Let's get those on. Alright, and I'm going to go for it because why not? Alright, audio sounds good. Oh boy, I'm skipping that one. My bad, dude. Slow down into ninth here. Turn up some of the retarder brakes. Alright, let's get this back into. And going in ninth gear. Let's go. 10. To get up to speed here, I'll get far enough into some speed, then turn this. Actually, I'll turn the charger off just because sometimes it likes to skid out, which is a little sketchy sauce. And I'm gonna go straight this way. There's a 12 speed cruising along in the ring. Turn these up a little bit. Cruising at 100 kilometers an hour. It's like 130 zone here, which is kind of crazy in the rain. Whoa, a little wobbly. Just going down the road. Yeah, going in at 12 here. We only have like a couple hours left of this one. Let's get that on one. Up on the right turn here. Sleep is looking a little almost there. Could probably make it, but should probably rest pretty soon actually. Oh, it's slippery here. Alright, I got it. No problem at all. We are fine. Keeping that momentum at 100. Actually, I'm going to slow down right here a little bit. Pinch that in. Turn that off. Back to 10 here. Slow down a little bit. Yeah, I can go 11. Nothing like it. And it's going uphill here. Oh yeah, baby. Coming along real nice. Storm blows over. Looks like that's some sunlight. Probably. Ooh, baby. Some traffic up here. Get out of my way, buddy. Beep beep. Beep beep. Let's go. Get out of my way, dude. Going like 50 under. There you go. Thanks, bruv. Turn the high beams off. Cut you off. Get out of my way. Skirt! Doing a little blip shifting, you know what I mean? Nothing like having fun driving. Beep, biddly, beep, bop, beep, bada, beep. Oh shit. Nice speed coming up here. Sleep is looking kind of full. Got some mail here. Oh shit, I made some money on that last job. So I have 12 employees, 12 trucks, and when I started this job I was at 695, and now I'm at 750, so it's pretty good at making me money. I'm a little too fast for this turn. Ooh, Nelly. Gas, 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 save it. Alright, we're good. Just going a little too fast into that turn, probably slow down a little more on those. That's what I'm talking about. Beep, beep, coming around, a little beep, beep. Oh, there it goes, getting sleepy. I got 165 kilometers to go. I could probably make it. Going that speed right there. It's probably okay, but blah, 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 blah. Wish I would slow down to 11th here. Turn this retard a little bit. It's a little too slow. I'm probably gonna take. Actually, it looked a little steeper than it was. Probably gonna take that at 12th gear, but whatever. Oh yeah. Starting to yawn again. It's probably take a nap on the next one. It's a 30-hour job, and I'm 2 hours left. Got a right turn coming up. Probably go, what, 8th gear in that turn? Probably. Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably go back to 10 here. Yeah, 9 was okay. Go this way. We'll shift into 11. So if you can see from the steering wheel, I have these two buttons mapped to crawling 1, 2, 1 through 4 gears, and then I hit this once and it does 5 through 10, and then I hit this one over here that does 11 and 12 with 4 empty slots. So that's how I can get 3 different groups of shifting. It's kind of weird to get used to, but then you start getting real good at it. So actually, I'm going to take this exit right here. Go back into 9 here. Turn these on a little bit. Slow me down. I know. Time to go to sleep. You're getting tired. I know. Turn that off. Oh. Oh, what? They're all full? Oh, come on. I gotta do this all in reverse? That's annoying as shit. Thanks for the fucking letting me know it was full, dude. Oh, wrong way. I need to do this way. I'm gonna cut it real hard. Kind of butchered that one a little bit, actually. Yeah, that's probably okay. Oh, yeah, I kind of butchered it. So I'll go through again real tight and then turn it. Oh, I really fucked that one up. I'll redo that. Need to be this one right here. Nope, this one right there. know I'm getting tired. You told me already. Straighten that one out. Yeah, dude, right there is perfect. Yeah, look at that. Boom! In the money. In the money. I'm just gonna back it all the way into the spot. That wasn't really that good, but whatever. Close enough. Take a little nappy nap. Alright, let's get her going here. We're looking pretty clear there. Got 1 hour left. It's about 100 kilometers, so we can pretty much cruise on in now. We're not too far. And that looks clear. Oh man, I'm all out of beer. I need to go grab a beer. Ugh, grab a beer after I'm finished doing this, delivering this load here. Da-na-na-na. Bop, bop, ba-da. Something, something, cruising up. And we're gonna go into 12, hauling ass through here at 110 kilometers an hour. We are moving, son. Do a little apex. Taking it wide. Oh yeah. Cruising now, dude. Beep, 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 beep. Coming in hot. I'm actually gonna go 11th here. A little bit fast for that turn. Looks like we are coming up close. 45 minutes to go. 60 kilometers. Whoa, there's a guy in that lane. I almost cut him off. So I'm gonna come over here. One of these. Oh, nope, didn't get into gear all the way. Let's go into 12. Did not like that. Grinding gears. You gotta try to flank me again. I'm just gonna double cut. I own the road, 2 cars, fuck you. I also have my detached trailer and my brake retarders on these 2 buttons, so I can turn up and down the brake retarder with this. And then I have my disconnect with the actual disconnect eject button there. So I can turn this up a little bit. Here's the engine. Use the brake retarders. And coming in 20 minutes. Let's go. Past this guy. I don't know which turn I'm supposed to take. Because I've not been up here in a long time. Some traffic up ahead though. So I'm taking a left turn over here, or do I exit on the right? Oh shit. Yeah, I gotta go to 10 here. Looks like I might be taking a left turn, I think. Yeah, looks like it. Bratislava. Ba 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 da ba ba da ba 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 da ba da. Let's get slow enough to 7th. Come back into 6th here. Come on, go into 7th. Didn't like that. And we're almost here. We got like 2 minutes to go. Oh, warehouse on the left. Nice. Alright, let's bring it down to 7th. And I'm going to swing it around in. Make this delivery. Oh, 778. I made 25 grand right there. Alright. Got to make 120 on this job. I'm going to do some XP because I feel like driving. Let's get this into gear. Stay in 4th and I'll swing it around here. Go a little So all the way over here. Cut it hard right here, and then I'll go to the left, straighten it out a little bit. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna do second R. Oh, there we go. Gotta cut it other way, this way. Oh, don't want to hit that. Oh, I kind of booker that one up. I'm gonna redo that probably. Oh yeah, fuck that one up real bad. Let's go back into second here. Straighten this all out. Yeah, I really botched that one. Alright, now I can go back into reverse. Yeah, let's straighten that out a little bit there. Let's get that going. Nice and straight. And I'll fucking get it like this. Oh yeah, a little bit of that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking real good now. Oh, oh! Almost hit that shit. Stalled it. Whoops. And delivery right here. Alright, how bad was the damage? Oh, no damage. That's awesome. I'll take 120,000 euros and 3,400 XP. Let's do it. So now I'm probably 900 grand. Looks like. Let's upgrade my ego driving. Yeah, 900,000. Let's go, dude. Well, first things first. Save the game. Peen toucher. And I think that is looking good. So let's go back to the job market. Actually, I'm gonna go free roam real quick. Let's go. Just go over here. Ooh, that's 7th gear. Let's go into 2nd. There, and I'm gonna park right here, and I'm gonna stop the stream. So, do a little bit. Turn the thing off, hit the space bar, turn the parking brake on. Alright, it's on. And yeah, that was a fun one. Here we go.